What? What's wrong with that helicopter? Seems like the helicopter is about to crash. What? Supercar Rikki! Oh! For a moment, I thought I would be dead. I will always be there to save you. Are you okay?
Yes.
How did all this happen?
I was flying when the two aliens bumped into the helicopter. I lost control, and this happened.
No wonder. Aliens again. I would smash your spaceship.
No! Please, don't!
You guys like bumping into the helicopter, right?
That was an accident! We lost control!
Really?
Yes, let us go, please.
Better be careful next time.
Yes, we would.
Haste and haze can cost lives. Better be careful while riding or flying. My necklace! My necklace! Someone stole my necklace! But I saw it just 2 minutes back. Yes, it was there. My purse! My purse! Someone just snatched my purse. My ring! What's happening? How can someone steal stuff in front of such a huge crowd? Rikki can find out. Looks like there is an invisible thief. No worries, I am coming. My gold chain! Oh God! Let's just rewind this incident. So, there they are, Lilliputians. You tiny things, do you really want to mess with me?
We might be small, but not weak.
You need to call more Lilliputians.
no! Please, stop! Please stop!
Before I cause you any harm, return all the stuff that you have stolen.
Yes!
That's good. Don't repeat this again.
Yes, please, leave me!
Seems like our farms are in danger. The outskirts have been attacked by locusts. No one knows where they have come from. They have destroyed many crops. Let's hear what the farmers have to say.
My crop! My crops have been destroyed!
How will our family survive? The government must immediately do something for the farmers living on the outskirts, or else we will be in big danger. Now only Rikki can save the crops. Oh no, they are plenty. Again. I need to head to the source.
Soon, my dreams would be fulfilled. This locust would destroy all the farms and make the farmers sell their lands to me. Rich. I would be rich.
Not so soon. The locust was planned by a greedy businessman who wanted to destroy the crop and buy farmers' lands. But this time, Supercar Rikki has come to become our savior. Thank you, Supercar Rikki. Farmers feed the world, and I would always protect them.